Hi, I'm Steve Wilson, the founder of Anita Goodesign. Now at Anita Goodesign, my goal is to create the best embroidery designs every day for you, our loyal customer. Now, my vision when I started Anita Goodesign was not only to create the best embroidery designs, but to create a club where you get those designs every single month, all year. Back then it was called Diamond Club, and you got 2 collections a month. Then we had Quilting Club for quilters, Platinum Club for people who like to do both, finally VIP Club. It got confusing, there was too many options. I decided to make it simple with All Access Club. Now, what makes All Access Club the best embroidery club in the industry? Jen and Taylor are going to tell you about that right now.
So I want to break down what your all access membership will look like and show you a peek at what a typical month of your membership will include, okay? So if you take a peek right over here, every month we release standard releases, and they might look like some of these items that you're seeing on the screen right now. We also come out with large releases. The large releases might be items like our Dolls 1, 2, 3 or our really popular The Last Supper collection. We also will release, some Anita's Express workshops for you every single month. And it's not finished there, because we also release online designs every single month. Now, if you were to pick up 1 month's worth of collections from Anita Goodesign, you would have to pick up, 8, 9, 10 of these things all individually. Now, to make your all access membership better and simpler and even more organized, everything is located on one book, okay? And this book is incredible. Some of you have probably already had your hands on one of these books. You've flipped it over to the back side. You've seen all these standard releases, the large releases, the Anita's Express, the online releases, and you're asking yourself, I wonder if that is located inside of this book. The answer will always be yes. We come out with all of these different things every single month, and that will 100% be included in your all access membership. So come on over here and take a peek at what the inside of this book really looks like, because it's so much fun and I can't wait to show you. Now, the one thing that sets Anita Goodesign apart from anybody else is the really nice, big, detailed designs that you see throughout the entire book. So every single collection that we create, we have really big images for you. You don't have to put your design through embroidery software to open that up, to take a peek at it. Everything is located right at your fingertips. We even go as far as laying out designs for you and maybe labeling them in such a way that that's going to help you plan out your projects even better than without having those things. We also have step-by-step numbered instruction in the back of the book. Now, this will keep you right on track as you're working right in your machine. So you're never going to get out of place or lose your way while you're stitching out a design. I also forgot to show you, because this is really important, we have step-by-step ABC instruction, which teaches you the specific technique that is being featured in whatever collection that you're stitching out. Now, we didn't stop there, because the way that we've set this book up is more like a lifestyle magazine. So you will even get bonus content every single month of your all access membership. Now, what does that bonus content look like? Maybe it's project inspiration, and you're seeing how we're taking designs and turning them from what they are originally into something completely different, so that we can really get your creative minds flowing and going. There might be really cute DIY projects, or there's bonus designs every couple of months, or maybe every month, you'll never know. So you'll just have to sign up and see what comes next. Now let's take a listen to Taylor, and he's going to tell you how you can join.
So Jen just showed us what a typical month in All Access looks like with the All Access book and all those beautiful designs that you get. So I'm here to talk to you about how you can take advantage to make sure you don't miss a month of All Access. So we only have the one All Access club, but there's 3 very easy ways to join, and we've made it simple. That's what we want to do, is make embroidery and our hobbies simple. So let's look at these 3 ways. The first way that you can join is a 12-month membership. So 12 consecutive months, you would receive the All Access magazine that Jen talked about with us. Okay, so that's $1,400 for the year, but if you finance that, it's about $116 or so a month. Now with that, you get $1,400 in free gifts that you pick out. That's exactly right. You're paying $1,400, you're picking out $1,400 in free gifts that you want, and then you get the next 12 months of the beautiful all access that we've been talking about. So that's one way. The second way is also a 12-month membership. It is $9.99 for the 12 months. There's no need to pick out the free gifts, so there's no free gifts with that. And then if you finance that for the 12 months, it's about $83 a month. And then the third way is a little more flexible. So that is what we call our month-to-month version. And it's, again, the exact same all access, but it's a little more tailored to you. So with that, it is $99 each month. We simply deduct that amount from your card each month that you provide to us. And then there's no financing up front, and it's literally month to month. There's no terms, so it's literally a tailor-made club directly for you. Okay, so again, $1,400. 12 months, you get $1,400 in free gifts. Now that is the best value, and I'm going to kind of touch a little more on that here in a second. Again, the second way is $9.99 for the 12 months, no free gifts, about $83 a month finance, and then the month to month. So let's talk about one of my favorite things, and that's the free stuff. So for that $1,400, when you're joining for the 12 months, again, you get the $1,400 in free gifts. What does that look like? It looks like a free shopping spree, basically, because you get to pick out $1,400. Now, if you wanted, and I'm not that great with math, but I believe that works out to about 20 full collections. You could pick those out, whatever you wanted. I think that works out to about 40 or so mini collections. You could pick that out. Everything that you see here or here. In that, again, you could get some of our more popular, larger releases that we come out with, such as the Americana we come out with earlier, the Last Supper, Butterflies, so tons of different things that you can pick out, all on what you want, okay? Now, at an event, if you come to an Anita's University event that we're hosting, then you could also have a special that you could pick out back issues. Once we release an issue, we consider that a back issue. So you could get 14 back issues of the All Access. Again, an event-only special. Each of these is $99. So you could pick out 14 of these back issues as well. Again, a great special and a great reason to come to our event. Also, at an Anita's University event, we bring tons and tons of stock. If you've been before, you know that. We bring a lot of our collections, but we simply cannot bring everything. But if you come to an event and you join the club for the $1,400, out of your $1,400 in free gifts, you can pick anything that we bring there. You can take it off the table. Part of that, you see something you simply can't live without, and I promise you that you can take that, put it in your bag, and take that home with you, part of your gifts. Now, let's say that you come there and you just are kind of, you don't really want to shop, you just want to sit and use those machines and listen to the instructor and really learn for those 2 days. That's okay. So you don't have to pick out that $1,400 in the 2 days that you're at the event. You can simply say, hey, I picked a couple of things out, they're about $200, and I've got about $1,200 left to shop. What we're going to do is provide you an online gift card so that you can shop at your leisure. That's right, go home, get a cup of coffee, put in your PJs, get comfortable, and you would have a gift card to shop for the $1,200 remaining. That never expires. And you could simply download from our website all of those free gifts. You could come and, again, you could get a gift card for $1,400, okay? So it's really, we want to make it easy, and we want to make embroidery fun. It's our hobby, and that's what it should be, so we want to make it just extremely easy. So you need to come to an event to take advantage of these certain specials that I mentioned. But either way that you join All Access, you want to definitely join, because you certainly don't want to miss anything that we are going to come out with, because I can promise you this next year is going to be our best ever, and we want to make sure that you are there with us. So thanks for joining, and we certainly appreciate you being our customer.